Hey guys, I'm Lily and I'm going to tell you all about the forest. And this is Sayuri. Say hi, Sayuri.
Hi.
This is my sister and we are going to tell you about the rainforest. Come on, Sayuri. There are lots of different types of plants, animals that live in the rainforest. Birds live in the rainforest. Some types of animals, like birds, live in the rainforest. They fly away, and it usually really rains out there, doesn't it, Sayuri?
Yeah, but sometimes we grow tomatoes.
Sometimes in the rainforest, there are people that cut down trees for koalas to not live anywhere.
Yes, it's very bad for them. No one can never see them ever again.
It could really hurt them. That's why we want to save all of the animals all around the world that are have bad sickness and can't cure themselves.
Whales get trapped on the beach, and some Chinese people eat whales, and we have to save the world for them.
Yeah, we mean a lot to whales. We love the rainforest, we love the sea, and we love animals, but we really want them to be saved.
Yeah, it's most important, and sometimes, well, koalas don't have, and
sometimes koalas don't even have a single home.
And
that's why we grow trees today.
And of course that we dinosaurs came extinct, but then
we don't want our animals to get extinct because they're so beautiful and feathery friends for us.
Indians used to eat kangaroos or anything they like.
Yeah.
And that's not good because they and we love kangaroos, don't we?
Yeah, we really do. Kangaroos are very important species to the rainforest.
Yeah, they're so cute. Why would you want to eat them?
Yeah, we eat kangaroo, but my mom and dad say it's so yum. Well, it's yum for their tum, but not for ours. Now,
and fish are being eaten by my dad. Aren't he a meanie? Because sometimes my mum says that, well, she wants to eat our little fishy friends. Who likes fishy friends? Me!
Stop. I have to talk now. Everybody in the world has to have animals. Animals are very special species to every single person, every single small little rat, all the way to big butterflies. Thanks for talking.
Butterflies can be in danger because what if they get stuck in a tree?
Yeah. We know all about animals and the rainforest.
And look what butterflies, if they couldn't see in the dark, if they had lighting wings, they would be just right. Everyone.
Hey, look! They're lighting up!
They are special wings that you can try on because you can pop these on to be a rainforest animal. And butterflies live in rainforest.
Stop. We're gonna go now. Thanks for talking with us, and we'll see you next time. And go